Do we have to audit every single page of our e-commerce store for accessibility issues? Typically, you don't need to audit every page. Instead, you audit a representative sample of screens. The goal is to identify unique page templates and code components to ensure you have full coverage as efficiently as possible. For an e-commerce store, your sample should include the home page and global navigation, search results and category pages, the most complex version of your product details page, specifically one that includes all possible variables like color, size, and customizations, the full user flow from the cart through to the checkout. Don't forget critical post-purchase functionality. Often, the checkout process is accessible, but the experience falls apart if a user needs to return an item or find a store location. Since most Shopify product pages are based on a template, if you fix a bug on one complex product page, you're likely fixing it across your entire catalog. By focusing on these unique templates and high-impact user flows, you get the most accurate view of your site's accessibility. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.